Every single time you open a browser, send an email, or stream a video, your computer is sending invisible data across a network. But what exactly is being sent? And more importantly, could someone else on that network see it? Today you are going to see exactly what that traffic looks like. Not in theory. Live. On screen. Using a free tool called Wireshark. This is the same tool used by network engineers, cybersecurity analysts, and CompTIA exam candidates all over the world. And by the end of this video, you will know how to use it. Let us start from zero. Wireshark is a free, open-source packet analyzer. Now let us break that down. A packet is a small chunk of data. When your computer communicates over a network, it does not send one giant block of information. It breaks everything into tiny pieces called packets. Those packets travel across the network and get reassembled at the destination. Think of it like sending a large document by posting it page by page in separate envelopes. Each envelope is a packet. An analyzer is a tool that reads and displays information. So a packet analyzer literally captures those envelopes in mid-air and lets you open them and read what is inside. That is Wireshark. It sits quietly on your network interface. That is the hardware your computer uses to connect to a network, like your Wi-Fi card or Ethernet port. And it records every packet going in and out. Wireshark uses something called promiscuous mode. That just means your network card stops ignoring traffic that is not addressed to it, and starts recording everything it can hear. It is like walking into a busy restaurant and instead of only listening to your own table conversation, you start writing down everything you can hear in the room. Wireshark was originally created in 1998. It was called Ethereal back then. Today it is maintained by a global community of developers and it is completely free to download at wireshark.org. Here is why every IT professional needs to know Wireshark. First, troubleshooting. If a user says, "The internet is slow," or "I cannot connect to the server," Wireshark lets you see exactly where the problem is. Is the packet never leaving the machine? Is it leaving but getting no response? Wireshark shows you all of that. Second, security. You can use Wireshark to detect suspicious traffic on your network, unusual connections, unencrypted passwords, rogue devices, all visible in a capture. Third, learning. If you are studying for CompTIA Network Plus or Security Plus, Wireshark brings theory to life. Seeing a real TCP. That